Ball valves! Get your ball valves! Best ball valves in the market! Yes, our stainless steel PEX ball valves, available in both crimp and cold expansion, are taking over the market. We've taken that same design and have applied it to our stainless steel push fittings. Everything you love about our stainless steel PEX ball valves are now in a push fitting format. Know what the perceived problem is with most push fittings? People seem to think that they leak because of a bad mechanical connection. A big reason why they leak is because the PEX pipe isn't perfectly around, with the O-ring making an imperfect connection. How do we fix that? We use a stiffener. The stiffener sits inside the fitting and keeps the PEX pipe round, which means it allows for a really good seal. That's how you can install these puppies and not feel nervous having them behind the wall. Some brands don't believe in stiffeners. They think they're redundant, though they may still include them in the baggie. Ours come pre-installed so you don't drop them on the floor when you want to connect. If you want to know more about our stainless steel push fittings, head to Beauchart.com. Available now at a wholesaler near you.